How to fix Canva student app not working. So the issue might arise because your application is not up to date. In order to check it out, head over to your App Store. In the source bar, search for Canva student. Move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In that case, what you want to do is, you simply have to tap on update and update your app to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, now the next thing you want to try doing is, head over to the settings of your device. Move into General. Head over to iPhone Storage. In this page, search for the application Canva Student. Once you find it, head over to it. It will be landing you on this page. In this page, tap on Offload App and then click on Offload App once again. Offloading app means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Canva student app not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.